Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the OLOy DDR4 RAM, specifically the 64GB, 2x32GB, Black Owl Aura Sync RGB kit. This memory promises to deliver both performance and aesthetics, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are positive. The Black Owl design is sleek and modern, and the Aura Sync RGB lighting adds a touch of flair without being overly distracting. Installation was a breeze, as expected with any standard UDIM. These are 288-pin desktop gaming UDIMs. The specifications are solid. 3600 MHz with CL18-22-22-42 timings at 1.35E. This puts it in a sweet spot for performance and compatibility with most modern systems. The kit supports Intel XMP 2.0, making it easy to achieve the advertised speeds with a simple BIOS setting. No need to manually tweak timings unless you're aiming for extreme overclocking. In terms of performance, the OLOy Black Owl RAM didn't disappoint. In gaming, there was a noticeable improvement in frame rates and overall smoothness, especially in demanding titles. The extra 32 GB per stick of RAM really shines when running multiple applications or working with large files. Video editing and content creation tasks felt snappier, and multitasking was a breeze. The 3600 MHz speed is ideal for the latest Ryzen CPUs and also works great with Intel processors. The XMP profile loaded without any issues on the test bench system, ensuring stable operation at the rated speeds. One of the standout features is the Aura Sync RGB lighting. The colors are vibrant and the effects are smooth, and it integrates seamlessly with other Aura Sync compatible components. If you're building a rig with a focus on aesthetics, this RAM will definitely add to the overall look. OLOy offers a lifetime warranty on this memory kit, which is a testament to their confidence in the product's reliability. This provides peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected for the long term. Overall, the OLOy DDR4 64GB Black Owl Aura Sync RGB RAM is a great choice for gamers, content creators, and anyone who needs a high-capacity, high-performance memory kit. The combination of speed, capacity, aesthetics, and a lifetime warranty makes it a compelling option in today's market. If you're looking to upgrade your system's memory, the OLOy Black Owl is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.